Hello everyone, welcome to Obsan Solution. How you? Your phone eye's not old. It's just suffocating. Today, I'm showing you the nuclear option for speed. We're going beyond deleting photos. We're re-engineering how your operating system handles data. By the end of this video, your 3-year-old device will outrun a flagship out of the box. Let's get to practical work. Phase 1. The ghost processes. Phase 1. The ghost processes. First, we unlock the hidden engine room. On Android, tap your build number 7 times. On iPhone, we're looking at background app refresh. To do this, go to settings greater than. Developer options. The action. Android, set window animation. Scale to 0.5x. iPhone, turn off background app. Refresh for everything except messaging apps, therefore text. Instant speed. This doesn't just make it feel faster. It reduces the CPU cycles required to render transitions. That's battery life saved and heat reduced. Phase 2. Storage architecture. Earth cache myth. Phase to storage architecture. The cache myth. Most people clear cache and think they're done. They're wrong. You need to focus on system data and shared buffers, the deep fix. Explain how a nearly full SSD anything over 80% slows down because the controller can't. Find empty blocks efficiently. Trim. Command. The action. Delete zombie apps. That's apps you haven't opened in 14 days. Next, we use the rule of 20%, KEP 20%. Storage free. If your storage bar is red, your read-write speeds are tanking. Give your hardware room to breathe. Phase 3. Network and DNS optimization. Phase 3. Network and DNS optimization. Have seen comparison chart of ping speeds. Speed isn't just about the processor. It's about how fast your phone talks to the internet. Default DNS servers from your ISP are usually slow and bloated. Switch to Cloudflare opening parenthesis 1.1.1.1 or Google opening parenthesis 8.8.8.8 closing parenthesis. Reset network settings to clear corrupted handoff data. DNS equals internet latency. This reduces time to first byte. Your apps will pull data noticeably fast. Phase 4. Thermal throttling and battery health. Phase for thermal throttling and battery health. It is the silent performance killer. When your phone gets hot, the OS throttles the CPU to save it from melting. The secret: check your battery health. If it's under 80%, the OS might be intentionally slowing you down to prevent shutdowns. Action. Turn off low power mode. If you want max performance, it caps the CPU at 50 to 70%. Heat equals slowdown. Golden rule. See this images would back on camera. Looking directly at the lens. The final tip: the weekly restart. It flushes the RAM and clears temporary kernel panics that a clear all button can't touch. You don't need a new phone. You just needed this guide. Your phone feels faster already. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.